Speaking Academy. Today, let's have a speaking practice using a phrase I like. I like tomato. I like tomato. I like corn. I like corn. I like eggplant. I like eggplant. I like pumpkin. I like pumpkin. I like broccoli. I like broccoli. I like onion. I like onion. I like potato. I like potato. I like mushroom. I like mushroom. I like cauliflower. I like cauliflower. I like cucumber. I like cucumber. I like carrot. I like carrot. I like beans. I like beans. I like cabbage. I like cabbage. I like chili. I like chili. I like lettuce. I like lettuce. I like garlic. I like garlic. I like bell pepper. I like bell pepper. I like radish. I like radish. Thanks for listening.